Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to invest money in Capitec app. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing you need to do here is you need to download the Capitec mobile application. Now after downloading, log in into the application and navigate to the Explore section. Now from there, select the Live Better tab and opt for Easy Equities. Now from there, click on Add and input your details, and from there tap Invest. Use the portfolio option to filter the list by account, so it's either ZAR, TFSA, or USD. Now from there, you'd utilize the investment type option to filter the list by the type of investment: equities, ETFs, and ETNs. Now employ the category option to filter the list by category of the investment, so this may be banks, beverages, chemicals, and etc. Now choose the specific investment you want to purchase to view its details, and from there tap Buy. Now input the desired purchase amount and tap Next, and a summary will appear. Choose the immediate buy or buy. Now from there, confirm the purchase on the presented dialog and just tap on Done, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.